Well, Heather has her first baby, a little yellow one. Now, Chris got up this morning and these horrible barbaric vultures, I think it was Lucy or Viv, actually, Chrissy was in there too, had crawled into her nest and killed, well, they pecked one egg open, killed the chick. And I'm not sure if it was more than one. This one I was a little worried about, but it seems to be moving. So we should get some more today. Wilma and her babies are doing well. I give her a clean box like I did with Chrissy. I put this in for Chrissy. She went right in it. And Wilma sleeps on the hard floor with her babies. You are a little bit silly, Mama. Yes, you are. Look at these guys, the wings already. That just amazes me. So pretty. How's your baby? Is it getting fluffy? Where is it? Oh, it's way at the back. Oh, it's getting fluffy, isn't it? I don't know how it moves around so much with all these eggs in here. Now, we got any other eggs pipping? Hey, Mama? We had quite the massacre this morning, didn't we? I think there's only 10 eggs under her, plus that one, so they must have eaten a few. You. Yes, I'm looking at you. That was terrible, wasn't it, Mommy? Good thing you have one little sweet baby to focus on right now. Can we check on your baby? It keeps going to the very back. Where is it, Mommy? Oh, there it is. Oh, I didn't, yeah. Look at the little beeper. Little yellow one. It's almost all yellow. Maybe it'll be a... She's not even screeching at me. Oh, you're so precious. What a good mommy. Here, I'll put her back. Is there any more babies coming? Hey? Good mommy. Gave her some water. She was thirsty, weren't you? How are your babies doing, Mommy? We just found one outside the run when I come outside. It stayed by the fence and was squawking its little face off. And of course she was pacing because it was outside. It found the one little hole to get out. Tell your baby not to do that again. It's a wonder the cannibals didn't eat it. Yeah. Poor Mommy, give you a heart attack. There's another one right there. I wasn't gone that long and the shell's all gone. I thought I heard something pipping really loud. I thought maybe the other one had fallen down. Is it coming out, Mommy? Hey, it's almost here, isn't it? Yeah. Can't believe how loud they are. It still sounds to me like I better check and see if I can find the little one under her. It did fall out. Oh my goodness. That's what happened to Chrissy's first one. Oh my goodness. Oh, Mommy. What a predicament. Oh my goodness, I'm glad I came out when I did. That's what happened to Chrissy's first one. I found it on the floor of the coop. Oh, poor Mommy. Yeah, you want it to get it back underneath you, don't ya? I guess I better get her moved to the box. That's why I came out to check. That's what I was afraid of. It's just amazing that they can get that active that quickly to fall out of there. Well, she's all situated now. She's got the wet one and the dry one under her. He won't fall out of this box. Not for a little while. Sheesh. I don't know what we're going to do next because Wilma's in the brooder hutch with her babies, and I think we might have to put the second one back together. It's in the barn. It's on the other side of the coop. Lucy was in here strolling around like she might like to have some more babies for supper, so I put a little bit of chicken wire over top so they can't jump in the box. So it's time for mommy number 3. I hope I don't get any more broody hens the rest of this year, because I think we're going to have enough chickens now. Not too many roosters, I hope. So let's check. She's getting real grumpy now. She was just fine for the longest time. But now I want to know if there's any more. She got the 2. I didn't think number 2 was going to survive, but it did. And it kept getting just under all the sawdust, and she wasn't doing nothing to help it. So now I'm going to pull her off of there and see if there's any more hatching. Okay, still just the 2. I think she's got... That's number 2 there. Number 1 has gone back underneath her. She's like, just dare you to get closer. She's very pecky now. She wasn't for the whole time she was on the eggs and everything, but now she just doesn't want me coming close. So I'll stay back, sweetie. Well, I was all impressed because I came out, lifted her up, and number 3 was here all fluffed up and no problems at all. And I just came out now and checked, and there was a dead one beside her. I just don't understand. It was fully formed, looked like it was just perfect, and I don't know what happened. So that was another really quick hatch, but I don't know why that one would not survive. I just don't understand. So I just picked her up and to look. It doesn't seem like there's any more pipping. Just trying to get them all back under. She's like, oh my goodness, woman, you're such a nuisance. So here's her 3. Yes, I'm a nuisance, aren't I, Mama? She's not making the noise that the others do. Telling them to... She's not making any noise. Just tell them to eat, Mommy. I haven't paid much attention to your babies, have I, Wilma? Chrissy's got so much attention. Yes. Look at the feathers on these little guys. They're only like 2 weeks old. Yes, and they're all so pretty. 4 black and 4 gold, just like Chrissy. I can't get over that. Yes. Look at how long their wing feathers, that white one, it was the first one hatched. Their wing feathers are touching their tail feathers. The little black ones are all smaller. 2 of the black ones have their wing feathers touching their tail feathers and 2 don't. Are you going back inside? You don't want a photo op? Oh, your babies are so cute, Mommy. Yes, they are. That one with the white all over its head is funny. Maybe another barred rock? I don't know. I just don't know, Mommy. She's clucking. She wants more food. So we were out tonight and we couldn't get the teenagers into the coop. We had to lock up the coop. So we left the teenagers out. We got one, we found her, and we're looking around the compost. I could hear them, but we couldn't find the last 7 chicks.
One there.
This is way up in the tree.
2
There's
there.
one. Way up there.
2 way up here.
Come and shine the light over here, honey. There's 3 up here.
Yeah, there's 3. There's 1, 2 of them.
Give me the light so the camera.
Look up here. Black one and 2 up there.
Way.
And 1 here, the barred rock.
Like that's what? Oh, there's the barred rock.
So
Yes.
there's 7 out here.
And there's, like, this is what, 15 feet off the ground?
Yeah.
So,
We're worried about the coyotes.
we were worried
getting
about the coyotes getting them. And we're not so worried anymore. There's 2 more up there. I was more at risk of getting pooped on than anything else. So they're up there for the night. This little guy's the lowest one. Little hen.
5, 6,
So this one's about
7.
7 feet off the ground.
And the one's
Good job.
And one's in the shed.
Yeah, one we found in the
7
shed.
out
So
here.
where's the barred rock again?
Right here.
Oh, over here. Hello there. Well done. Well done, kitties. We were worried about you.
Wait, how did they get up there?
They had to have hopped from one branch to another. That's the only thing I can think of.
There's 2 black ones. One black one up there. One brown.
And then there's 3 brown ones up here. I took one brown one inside.
Yeah.
I never would have believed it. I kept coming, the compost is right here. So I kept saying, I think they're behind the compost. Like, I could hear them chirping and cheeping. That rooster's trying to sleep. He's closing his eyes and saying, will you please leave me alone? Okay, I'm not going to worry about them. Well, that was funny. We looked and looked and looked and looked for them and couldn't find them. And now I'm happy because at least I know that they're gonna be safe for the night.